Alright, we are live. We should be live now. What is going on right now though? There we go, Rajat, welcome back. So guys, I asked for more giveaways. Wait, why is the chart so weird? I asked for more giveaways, but we have to wait because there's Eid right now, so they have holidays on FundedNext, and they will send out the accounts tomorrow as well from the previous giveaway winners. What is going on here, chat? Let's go to 15-minute time frame. I'm up big today though, chat. I have such an insane day right now. I've had an insane day, guys. I'm gonna go over the exact trades that I took in a minute. I'm just gonna wait for some people to join the stream. Ellen, welcome back, Ellen. How are you? It is loading the chart right now. What a pump. Man, I didn't even see this until now because I was outside. What a crazy pump that was. Holy moly. Now we're dumping again here. Peach user, welcome back. I'm in such a good mood, guys. I had an insane trade. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Let me go over to 5 minutes again. Like 15 minutes is even worse. Look at this level though, chat. This is the level that I traded. This was the magic level that I actually traded here. And I on purpose put my entry a little bit higher on this level because they always get a little bit front run sometimes. And you can see it was a bit front run here, the level. But this was the key level for my long. And I'm gonna show it to you on TradingView as well. Let me show it to you on TradingView. So this was the craziest long, chat. So by the way, so let me go over the last 14 hours quickly with you guys, because I want to explain to you how why I took this trade, and also what happened before this amazing trade that I took. So as you can see, at the market open, I took a long here. I decided to go into long because we hit this previous day point of control. Can you hear me, by the way? Mr. Nobody, can you guys hear me in the chat? Can someone quickly tell me if the voice is loud enough? So I took this long here after the market open. You can see here, this was right after the market open. I went into long and we got stopped out. So when I woke up, I was already stopped out and in this second trade. So this is the first long, which hit stop loss. So I lost 2K on this trade here. I risked $200 on each account, lost 2K overall. And then we went to my next entry, which I also posted, by the way. Nice, we hear you, perfect. I also posted this on my Discord on Monday, chat. I posted this exact level on Monday. You can see it on my Discord. And I went into another long here, so I was asleep and woke up with the stop loss here, and this trade was already 2 hours in profit, but I decided to hold this one, chat. So this was kind of crazy. I decided to hold this. Why did I decide to hold this? Because this was a major key level. This was an absolute key level, and I expected a bigger reaction from this one. So I didn't even close it at 2 hours here. This was up 2 hours right here. Didn't close it, just held it. And someone in the chat, I was playing a video game on my phone, literally, guys. I was in this trade playing a video game right here. And someone said that it just went up 200 points. And I was just like, what? No way. I may take profit here because I expected a bigger move from this level. And we hit full take profit here on this massive candle. So this is how I made 16K. I made 16K on this trade. So I risked 2K on the trade and I made 8 times what I risked. So 16K, and I lost 2K on this trade. So we are up 14K today, guys. I'm up 14K. And what a week. Like, what a start of the week, chat. This was the trade of the month. Honestly, this was the trade of the month here. I mean, this is an 8-hour trade. 8 hours within like 3 hours it was. What does the green line mean on the order flow? This is not the order flow here. What you can see right here is TradingView. This is not order flow. I will go to the order flow though. The green, you mean the green line? These are support levels and resistance levels. These are simple support and resistance levels. So there's a lot of liquidity on at these levels. Guys, you can type ! giveaway, by the way. We don't have a giveaway running right now, but I'm working on getting a new one tomorrow because FundedNext has Eid holidays, so they don't work today. And tomorrow the winners will also be sent out, by the way. Tomorrow you should receive your accounts if you won from the previous giveaway. You should finally get your accounts. I hope, chat. I hope they actually send it out. And I hope that we're gonna get more giveaway accounts as well. This was so much fun last Friday. We are dumping again. Let's go to the order flow here, chat. Let's switch over to the order flow. I wanted to show you this trade recap though. What an insane day for me, chat. I'm probably not even gonna trade it anymore today. Like, I'm more than happy with 14k profits. Like, there's no need to get greedy here, honestly, when you're up that much. So we are dumping here. I mean, you could have entered the short after, like, I could have entered the short here, but why would I try any more trades after you hit an 8-hour trade? It just makes no sense. I'm probably not gonna trade anymore today, guys, but I'm gonna look for some levels that you guys can potentially trade, but I'm not gonna trade at all today. Like, I'm more than happy with my profits. Why you choose this exit? Oh yeah, someone asked this. Let me see this again. My exit was here. Why it actually went even higher. This is crazy, chat. Look at this. It actually went even higher. So it went exactly to this anchored VWAP again. Like, what is this? Look at this here, chat. This VWAP has been just giving insane entries. So it went to the anchor, almost to the anchored VWAP here, and I closed it around here. As you can see, I closed it right here at 6705. And the reason for this close right here was this 1 hour level here, which was a little bit higher, yes, but decided to put this to take profit a little bit lower. So I closed it around here, 6705. You can see at these highs here. So this was the reason for closing the trade there, but that was such an insane trade, guys. I mean, this was crazy. See, trader, welcome back. I'm totally out from the Asia session. I mean, I'm up big, guys, today. This is an insane day. I think this week could be really crazy for me. If I take a few more trades this week, we're gonna have a crazy week. But I'm gonna be honest, chat. Tonight I'm gonna pay out. Tonight I'm gonna definitely request a payout. Definitely gonna request a payout tonight. So yeah, 6-7. Why do you guys say this again? I forgot this meme. Why do you guys say this again? But yeah, I'm gonna look for, guys, tomorrow. I'm also waiting for FundedNext. They're gonna send out the account tomorrow, I think. At least he texted me this. So hopefully tomorrow you guys will get the accounts that I gave away on Friday. And hopefully we're gonna get more accounts to give away this week. Because it was actually kind of fun to do this giveaway. And it's really good for my streams to post these giveaways on X. It's really good for the streams. People buying here again. I mean, guys, I'm gonna be honest. If I wouldn't be up that much already, I'd probably look for another trade. But as I said, it makes no sense to take any more trades for me. But we're gonna look for a trade that you guys can take if you want. But so what do we have here? What do we actually have here? 6807. So do you have an alternative to exit charts or some indicators from TradingView for order flow levels? I only use a volume profile at the moment, but I don't find anything better I can work with. Honestly, fixed range volume profiles is what you should use. You don't have order flow. Why does it look so weird today? My order flow software looks a little bit weird. I don't know, maybe it's just me. How are you, Jon? How are you, Jon? 2 likes and 12 watches. We need more likes, guys. Come on, we need more likes. I mean, today we're probably not gonna get as many viewers because we don't have a giveaway running today. But hopefully we can get more giveaways running tomorrow because they have holidays. So FundedNext has holidays today. At least the people that are that I use for my giveaways. Luis is also back. Guys, I have had an insane day today. I'm so happy. Like, I can request a really juicy payout today. I took the most crazy trade for all the people that... wait, I'm gonna show it again quickly. I need to show you guys this again. This is such a crazy day, actually. So on midnight... actually after market open, you can see it here. I went into a long here. It was up 1 hour, but I didn't close it. Like Friday, same thing. Friday didn't lock in the profit because I was still expecting a bigger pump like soon. But we got stopped out here on this long, as you can see. This was a stop loss, so I lost 2k on this trade. And then I filled the next level, which was at the weekly order flow level here, which was hit to the dollar. And I shared this level on Monday, by the way. So I shared this level on Monday for you guys for free in my Discord. So maybe some of you actually also traded this, who knows. But I went into a long here. Stop loss was around here. And guys, we just pumped. It was actually crazy because I was on my phone here. I woke up around here at 10 it was. I woke up around 10. So I saw this stop loss and saw that I'm in the new trade already. So I woke up around here. Then I played some video games and I saw someone in the chat say that we pumped 200 points on ES, and I just rushed to my MacBook. And it was already closed because I had my take profit really far up here, because as I said, I expected a bigger short squeeze soon, because we have been going down like crazy on ES. I mean, look at this. We have been going down a lot. We were also at key. We also broke these lows here. Took out all the liquidity from these lows. So I was really expecting a bigger move to happen soon after we've just went down since basically the start of February. We just went down. We have been in a downtrend, and now we saw a massive reaction from this key level, which was just a trade of the week, honestly. We're probably not going to find another trade like this for this whole week. This was an insane trade, guys. 500k live funded. I salute you, boss. You really leverage your efforts with prop firms. Thank you, man. And yeah, the crazy thing is, chat, I risked only $200. Like on each 50k account, I risked $200 only for this setup. So I made 1.6k on each 50k account, which is more than 3% in a day. I made 3% basically today with two trades, one stop loss and one massive take profit. I'm really happy about this because Friday I had 2 stop losses, chat. Friday I actually had 2 stop losses on a long, but this made up for everything. So we have a really good start of the week. That's ExoChart. Yeah, it's not Atos, but I heard Atos is doing a Mac version, by the way. They're also releasing a Mac version, which is kind of cool. Glamour Heaven Salon. I've never seen you here. Welcome. I probably pronounced your name completely wrong. I'm already losing my voice. It's crazy. I've only streamed for like 20 minutes. Already feels like I'm losing my voice. But yeah, so let's look for one more trade for you guys. If you want to take one more trade. I'm not going to trade anymore today, guys. I'm not going to trade anymore. It would just be stupid to trade after hitting an 8R. Like, why would I risk any more money? Please, you trade futures. I trade futures, TG Lab, TG Babs. This trade was taken on 10 50k accounts. 10 50k accounts on FundedNext and Lucid Trading. And I risked only $200 on this trade, guys. I made on 10 accounts, so I risked 2k in total and made 16k and lost 2k here. So this is basically what happened today. Now I'm gonna go to ExoCharts again, so we can see what's going on. We are pumping again here though. Really aggressive buying, by the way. Really aggressive buying right here. Let's see. But we gotta make sure that maybe you can actually look for a sell today, guys, from higher if you want. But I'm gonna be really cautious today. I'm not gonna take any more trades. But we're gonna look for some possible entries and see how they play out. So I'm actually gonna look for some trades right now, chat. Wow, look at this. I mean, guys, this was an order flow level, and look at this hit to the dollar, not to the dollar, but this was 6725, and the high was 6747. This was a really nice short here as well. Yeah, so there we don't have a daily level. All right, wait, let me check this here. This is what I want to check. I want to check the daily TPO. Let's see, guys. Yeah, and this was the high here, crazy. Like, this is a daily naked point of control. We have the session time point of control here at 6,800. I'm not gonna lie, chat. 6,800 looks like a really good sell for this week, maybe. And if we go higher, these are the next levels that we can look for maybe sales this week. But yeah, I don't know. It's right, like the price action is really strange right now. Probably gonna give it some more time, see what happens. These you trade futures. I already answered this. This is an iceberg order. We hit the previous week VWAP again here. There's definitely some strong resistance here. It's so volatile today, guys. It's crazy volatile. Like, we are moving so fast today. It's insane. Anui, welcome back to the stream. Alright, I need to relax a bit with my voice. Like... But right now I wouldn't take any trade, guys. I would still wait. Do you need a thumbnail guy? Not really. Actually, I do all my thumbnails with ChatGPT. I did say, are you ready for some? For some trades, you mean, or what do you mean? Wow, this is such a crazy session now as well. I mean, we took out... This was actually crazy, chat. 6734 was the session time point of control, which was the high. So if we wouldn't have hit this yet, this would have been a really nice short entry, but we already hit this from this massive pump. Could have even held a little bit longer, but I'm happy with closing this, obviously. Where are those banger levels? Yeah, I'm looking right now. It's really like we washed out all these levels here already with the pump. This would have been a really nice short. This would have been a really nice short, I'm not gonna lie. 6735, I mean, you would be up big already. Almost a 100 points move. So yeah, I'm looking, I probably wouldn't trade this again here, the same level. So 6807 looks really interesting, and this level is just so far away at 6506. So we took out a lot of liquidity on this pump here. Alright, here we don't, so here we have these two levels. Let me mark them out and let me have a look at TradingView as well quickly. So we're looking for some more levels, chat, that we can potentially trade, but I'm probably not going to trade it all anymore. But for you guys, we can look if they play out, if the trades play out, I'm going to look at that if you guys live. Alright, let me go to TradingView. So we have the order flow level at 6807. Wow, okay, we have the anchored VWAP here as well. This is already looking really good. 6807. Wait, was it 6807? 6802 here. Let me see the other one. Yeah, 6807. Gonna mark this out here. Gonna mark this here and call it, where is it? Oh wow, and we also have the 6829 previous day point of control. Let me see if this is still valid. Well, this is actually a time point of control, not the previous day, I think. So we have the session time point of control. Now the daily time point of control, actually, this is the daily time point of control, and we have the session time point of control at 6807, and we have a session time point of control at 6830. That is actually really an interesting zone here, chat, with a lot of liquidity. But wait, do we also have a daily? Oh, this was this one. 6730, this one actually already got hit. Oh no, wait, this was the one from here. Oh no, wait. Wow. Chat, we have this daily naked point of control, we have session time point of controls here. This is a really nice short here. 6830 and even 6807. You can see a reaction from. But this level here, chat, wait, let me show you. I really like this level. So 6830 is a really nice short level that I'm probably gonna short this week. And this is the other level, which could be where we could also see a strong reaction from, actually. And this is also 1 hour level here. Look at this beautiful order flow level and 1 hour level here at the same level. So these are two really nice shorts. These are two, guys, these are two really nice shorts I'm probably gonna take, but we're not gonna go there today, I think. We can go there this week, I think, though. We can probably go there. So this is a 1 hour level, we have an order flow level, and here we have multiple order flow levels, and we have the anchored VWAP as well from the downtrend. So this is an absolute strong level here. So this could be a nice short, I guess, and if we lose this, we're probably gonna go to 6882 to the daily level. But we gotta keep in mind, chat, this is really important. This is also why I looked for longs here, where a lot of people are panicking and looking for shorts all the time. I mean, I also hit some stop losses on the longs, but now overall I made insane profit now with this last long. Because we are still in an uptrend, guys. I mean, we are back into this very low now even. It's kind of crazy. So if we actually hold this very low, there is a potential, so we have to keep this in mind with the shorts, guys. There is a potential that we can actually go to the highs of this whole range again. There is a big potential that we're gonna just get back into this range now and consolidate in this range. So we have to be really careful today, this week as well with shorts. We gotta keep this in mind. Even though we are in a downtrend, yes, we are still in a low time frame downtrend, but on a daily time frame, this is a daily time frame. I mean, we made a new low here, but overall we still made higher lows, and we still. And look at this anchored VWAP here as well. We held this as well. I mean, this wouldn't have didn't get hit yet, but we held it. Didn't go below this anchored VWAP, which is really important for the uptrend. So if we lose this, if we actually lose this anchored VWAP, I'll be more bearish, guys. But as long as we hold this and now get maybe back into this range, I mean, we are back into this high time frame range already, as you can see. But I'm not sure if we're gonna stay above here. All depends what's gonna happen now. But this is actually key level 6641. I'm gonna mark this out here as well, because I wanna have this on my chart. I'm gonna mark it out as very low. There we go, because this is really a key level here. Wait, why can't I see it now? Is it only visible on daily now? 6646. I'm kind of focused right now, guys. Give me 1 second. Once I'm finished with this, I can answer your questions as well. So this is the value low. This is actually also the anchored VWAP here. Crazy. So this is really important that we hold this here for the bulls. Because if we lose this level, chat, if we actually lose this, we can go lower again. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna remove this here. And this one I can remove as well. Clean up the chart here. I really need to clean up my chart quickly. So this level was hit. We can also remove this. I don't want to trade this again. This is the weekly point of control that was hit. I'm also going to remove this now. And this weekly isn't even correct, I think. Zoom out here. Oh wait, it is. It actually is. Wow, okay, this was also this weekly here, but these are not really clean. It's not a really clean weekly. Probably gonna actually delete this here. Let me go to the daily time frame. Guys, look at this. This is also daily even. The weekly order flow level was also daily. Beautiful, beautiful trade though. Beautiful trade. Alright, daily level here. This is actually, this is not a clean one here even, because it has been washed through already. Gonna remove this. Alright, the chart looks clean, but we have to actually add resistance levels now as well. Quickly gonna do this. Daily. This is the 1 hour, alright. Let me see if this looks good here. 1 hour we have, this is the daily level. Actually, I'm gonna remove this daily because I would 100% wait for this order flow level up here. I'm gonna remove this one. I'm not gonna trade that. Even though it is a key level though, it is kind of key level, but I would not go into trade yet. I would rather wait for this 1 hour and order flow level. It makes a lot more sense to wait for the trade. Yeah, it looks good, guys. I think we are updated. Let me go to the weekly quickly, have a look at the weekly. Yeah, no, I like this chart. Now it's clean. Alright, now everything is cleaned up. Wait, one thing that I forgot, I need to add actually the order flow levels here. Need to actually add the new order flow levels quickly. 6, 4, 5, 2. I think we have that one, no? No, we don't have that one. 6, 4, 5, 2. Guys, sorry about this, but I quickly need to optimize my analysis and everything. That's really important. And then we can look for a new trade here. But with a lot of new levels that I haven't even added to TradingView yet. So I want to put this here. There we go, 6, 4, 50, yeah. We also have a daily there, that's also really nice. We have a daily there as well. Same level, crazy. Let me see if this is right. Wow, that's a clean long, chat. If we go lower, 6,450, that is a nice long. We have an order flow level there, and we have a daily level there, 6,414 also. Put that on the chart as well. I'm really locked in right now, chat. I'm really locked in, as you can see. Wait, I'm gonna go over to TradingView again so you can see my stuff. 6,450, so this is a new order flow level. And a daily level here. And what was the other one? 6,414. 6,414. Oh, it's actually, yeah, it's 6,415. There we go. And what else we have? 6,350. 6,350. I have this one already. I mean, it's the weekly naked point of control as well. 350. And the daily low is the body of the daily candle that made a higher low. Yes, that's right. All right, we have this one marked out as well here. 6.2, which one? 6.2, I have this one, I think. Wait, why are all these missing? Did I not put them in my chart? That's so weird. 6.350. We have this one now on Trading Good, and we have 6.266. This is the last one I'm gonna mark out here. Wow, these are also so nice levels. Why? Because there's a weekly level here as well, as you can see. 6,261. Alright, so these are all the support levels in case we actually dump lower, guys. If we dump lower, I'm definitely gonna look for a long here. 100% gonna look for a long here. Or maybe here at these levels. These levels are all really interesting for longs, actually. All of them. But I want to quickly see if these weekly levels are right. 6.3, yeah, this is actually one here. 6.341. 6.142. Alright. It is all 100% right. It's really important to sometimes double check this, guys. Because in the end I'm gonna trade these levels. Often I trade these levels like the last one. And they need to be obviously the right levels. Good. We are set, guys. We are actually set. We are set, I think. And what else do we have? 6.506 here to the downside. This level here, but yeah. Honestly, I would then rather wait for 450, honestly. A cleaner level than trading this here again. Good, we are set, guys. I'm set, I should say. So, honestly, the next shorts that are going to be really interesting are from 6806 up to 6830. These are really, really interesting short levels. And for longs, I want to wait for lower, actually. I would want to wait for lower. I mean, you could also try a long again from 6,500 if we go down there again, but I would wait for 6,450. I would actually wait longer for that, for the clean entries. Because remember, guys, this here, the last level that I traded, let me show you this. This was an order flow level, and look at the reaction from it. So this was this order flow level, and this is why I like to wait for these levels. This was the reaction, so 6,480 was the order flow level, and we pumped up to 6,752. So we made a 250 points move. 250 points move from this low, even more than 250 points. And this is why I like to wait for these really juicy levels that are going to give me an insane trade. So yeah, we're going to wait for these levels. So how was your day, guys? Let me know. Now I can actually focus on the chat. Giveaways. There's sadly another giveaway running right now, but I'm going to... guys, I'm gonna look for that we can give away a new account. FundedNext has Eid holidays right now, so tomorrow they will send out the last giveaway winners, but you have to type this to join the giveaway anyways. You typed it wrong, George. So let's see what's gonna happen today. We're above this previous week VWAP here. It's actually not too bad. You had a lot of aggressive sellers down here, buyers I mean. A lot of aggressive buyers down here. But I wouldn't trade this here yet, chat. It's kind of risky. Wow, 200 contract sell. There's so much volatility. It's insane. There's just so much volatility. I like this, actually. More volatility means when you hit the trade, guys, it's most of the time a really juicy one with my strategy. Like the long, that was such a fast movement. I mean, this was the candle that was in from the low here, guys. I was actually in from the low here. I mean, I was in even from lower. I was in from here. This was actually my entry. I was in from here, and this was the massive pump. But we're gonna get back with giveaways, guys. So we can already type exclamation mark giveaway for this week to get into the giveaway. You can type that. I'm gonna look for, as I said, more accounts tomorrow. Once FundedNext is back from the holidays. FundedNext support. How was your week though, guys? Did you have a good week so far? I just hope none of you guys, like if you took shorts on this massive pump, I hope none of you guys placed a lot of limit sells, you know what I mean? Because this, through a pump like this, it's the worst thing that can happen if you have a lot of limit sells opened. Gotta be really careful with that. But I'm so happy we finally saw a pump. Let me see actually what Trump tweeted. I didn't even check what Trump tweeted here. We have a lot less viewers now because I'm not doing a giveaway. That's not too good. Not doing a giveaway. And probably because I'm not looking for actively for a trade right now. Maybe we're also not going to do a too long stream today. Guys, it all depends on you. If you want me to stream longer, let me know. Can we go long on the market now? I would not go long. No. I would not go long. Why? Because I'm going to show it to you here. If you go into long now, this is the thing. If you go into long now, where would you place your stop loss, right? So let's say you go into long now. Where would you place your stop loss? I hope the next time you tell again your trade. Yeah, I actually, Peach users, I posted this chart. The level I posted it on Monday. I just didn't say that I'd take it, but I posted the exact level, like this level, the exact low was posted on my Discord. So the issue is if you look for a long now, you're gonna have a really bad stop loss. Like even placing your stop loss. Let me show you this. If I go into a long right now, it's absolutely risky in my opinion. So if you're going to long now, you'd have to put your stop loss around here, but even this stop loss is not good. So it's a really risky trade. We can go lower again for sure as well. So I would definitely wait with longs now, guys. Now is not the place to long. Like, this is the move. It happened now, but longing now is really, really risky. I would not do that. I would rather wait for lower and then try for a long. Because we can still dump again, guys. We are still, as long as we stay below 6830, we are still in like this. Even though, yes, we reclaimed this value low here, which is the first good sign that we can actually go higher again. But yeah, if we don't break this high here, I think we can still go lower again. But on the other hand, we also have to be careful with shorts, guys. Why not shorting from here with smaller size? I mean, honestly, I would rather take a short here than a long. I'm not gonna lie. I would rather take a short here than a long. Because as I said, we have seen a big pump now, a news pump. But the thing is, for shorts, I would still like to wait for higher. But yes, you are right, Alex. I would rather look for shorts here than for longs. But I'm personally just gonna wait, guys. Like, I'm not gonna force any trade anymore. I'm up big today. Like, I'm gonna just wait for the market close, then I'm gonna request my payouts, and tomorrow we look for more trades. But I'm definitely gonna request payout today, for sure. Definitely gonna pay that out, guys. But yeah, it makes no sense for me, guys, it makes no sense for me to risk another trade. I mean, yes, I could make even more money, but I'm completely happy with the outcome already. There's no need to be greedy. Literally no need to be greedy right now for me. So let's see, guys. So if you want to short, if you guys want to short, it's actually really important, or if you are in a short, that we stay below here. And that we lose this level here. I'm gonna show it to you in trading view. It's really important that we lose this low for all the shorts. 6643. So if you are in a short, you want to see us lose this level. Because if we lose this, we can go lower again. So this is the key level for the shorts. What a beautiful day though for me, guys. What a beautiful day. Oh, what a beautiful day. I'm so happy. Now we only need some more giveaways for the next streams. That daily P&L is crazy. What did you do? Thank Dolphin. I had an insane trade. Wait, let me actually show you again. Let me show you guys again. So, you know, Friday was really rough to trade, and last week I had a small red week, which is fine, guys. I've had a really good 3 months. Never had a losing week except the last week, so it's completely fine. But tonight, I mean at market open, guys, I did open 2 trades. So this is my first trade here. I was in a long here from 6522 actually, which did end up getting stopped out after hitting 1 hour. So I went in here, it went up to 1 hour and I held it. We hit stop loss here, as you can see. This is a stop loss here, and this is where the next limit order was. It was at the weekly naked point of control. You cannot see the level now because I deleted it. But I posted this level, and then so I woke up here. I woke up at 10 AM, guys. Woke up at this candle. Right here is when I woke up. So I had a stop loss already. I lost 2k from the last trade. I lost 2k. And I was 4k in profit around here, but I didn't close it. Why? Because I was expecting a bigger pump. This was a really strong support level, and we have been going down a lot, so I expected a short squeeze to happen soon. Decided to hold this, guys, and it was the right decision to actually hold this, because we had a massive pump here. So this was an 8-hour trade. I made 16k on this trade, risking 2k. I made 16k, and from the loss here, I'm down 2k, so I'm up 14k today. Even though I had a stop loss here, which is insane, guys. And I closed it perfectly as well. This is my close here. Absolute crazy trade, thank Dolphin. What a nice day here. So I'm gonna request a nice payout today, guys. We're gonna get a nice payout today. Do you post your trades? Yes, in my Discord. I actually posted this order flow level. You can check it in my Discord under your wait, under trading analysis. Wait, where did I post it? Yeah, key ES trading levels for this week. I posted this level on Monday, and this was the exact low to the dollar. I mean, we sniped the exact low on ES. And I had this level on my chart since Monday, since last Monday. And it got hit today. So absolute crazy trade for me, guys. I'm actually gonna leave this running here a bit, guys, because I don't really care about the order flow right now. I just want to wait for the levels that seem interesting. So this is a short that you can actually, that we can try this week probably. Maybe an entry from here or even up here. This is the cleaner entry, I would say. This is a potential short that looks really good actually. So I'm gonna wait for this level here, guys. I'm gonna wait for this. Yeah, absolute insane trade, guys. I'm so happy. You don't get how happy I am. Like, this was a crazy trade. And this on a Monday, guys. On a Monday. Like, this week cannot be bad anymore. It's impossible to have a red week now. And I'm gonna pay out this anyways. I'm gonna pay out, like, because I have a really high buffer now, I'm gonna pay out at least like 7k today. Definitely gonna request the payout. So I have to wait for market close anyways to request the payout. Not gonna trade anymore, not gonna gamble away the gains. Like, why would I gamble away 14k profit now? I'm just gonna wait for it to pay out and then look for more trades tomorrow, guys. Because remember, the most important thing is to also do payouts, because in the end of the day, you want to increase your capital and you don't want to forever stay on funded accounts. Like, a goal is to have a really big amount of capital so I don't have to rely on funded accounts anymore. So you want to increase your own capital so you don't have to rely on these rules. Obviously though, funded, I'm probably never going to stop trading funded accounts. It makes just sense to keep continuing this. Because it's just crazy. I mean, you pay like, how much did you pay for one account, for one 50k account? I think it was like $120. So you paid like, guys, I paid like $600 for these 5 accounts, and now today alone I made 14k on 10 accounts. So I paid like, for all the accounts together, wait, how much was it? 600, 5 times, wait, 700, it's around 1.3k I think. And today I made 14k, you know what I mean? Like, and I still can keep the accounts. Like, even if I pay out now, I still have a really big buffer. I'm not gonna pay out everything, of course. I'm gonna make sure I have a big buffer remaining so I don't lose the accounts. For now I work with IQ Capital because it's the cheapest. I don't know them, man. I don't know IQ Capital. You have to be careful though, guys. There's no point in like saving money if you're not gonna get paid out. So I can really suggest you look for the best prop firms, like the ones I'm using. All the ones that I promote, guys, you're gonna get payouts, like, because I use them myself. I only promote the best prop firms. If I ever promote any prop firms, it's a good one. I also noticed that the price is off by approximately $15 lately. Yeah, that's because there's so much volatility. And you have to keep in mind, yeah, the futures charts and CFD charts are different. You have to keep that in mind. That's why I always tell you, you have to buy futures accounts if you want to get the best price action. Because futures, the CME futures chart has the best price action. You're not going to get a better price action than this. So I can really recommend you to trade a micro ES S&P 500 Index Futures. It's the best way to actually trade. Hast du Videos auf dem Kanal, wo deine Strategie erklärst? So someone asked in Swiss German if I have videos on my channel that explain my strategy. I actually, I had some videos unlisted. So this is a funny story, guys. I had some videos unlisted from like 2 or 3 years ago from a friend, a Swiss friend of mine, which I still know, and he's actually a YouTuber now. He makes like car videos, and he made these videos, and he used the same strategy as me. these are not order flow videos though, these are technical videos like for TradingView. I can really recommend you to watch them, they're really good. So watch the videos on my, there's actually a playlist, Learn to Trade on my channel. Watch all these videos. Because I made them public again. It's not me on these videos, it's my friend. He's called Exito. He's actually a YouTuber as well. James Barry drives, you can check his video. He drives cars. He has like 20,000 subscribers now, it's crazy. But he helped me do these videos back in the days. I started trading with this guy, basically, so he's a close friend of mine. But you can check them out. It's really good. There's like 10 videos, I think. They're really good to start out. Yeah, so I decided to actually to list them again so you guys can watch them. We held this, as I said, guys, we held this to the dollar so far, the value alone. This is actually a good sign. And we're now also above this anchored VWAP here. What is this YouTube again? James Barry. James Barry is a legend, this guy. He's so funny. He started trading with me. We used the same strategy. And he helped me with my YouTube videos. We were actually both doing content on YouTube back then. It was a long time ago now, but like 2 or 3 years. And he stopped trading. I don't know why he stopped trading actually, because I know he had payouts and everything. But I think he was really busy with his job and stuff like this. But he made these videos and he is also a good trader. I mean, he traded the same strat as me. Or he posted in Discord. I mean, I can show you his channel. He actually blew up like crazy on YouTube. It's crazy. He's a cool guy. Wait, I'm gonna show you. James Barry. He's 32k subs now. 32k subs actually. And this is the guy who actually made the videos. So funny that he does core content now. I posted the link, guys, on Discord if you wanna check him out. This is actually the guy who made these videos. Like the Learn to Trade videos on this channel. The algorithm is not pushing me today, guys. It's probably because I didn't post a giveaway. We need to do giveaways again. We have 10 viewers, it's not bad, but we had like 40 viewers on Friday. So we definitely need to do these giveaways again. They're really good for the streams, I think. What a candle that was. I mean, crazy. What a big candle. So these are interesting shorts, guys, and down here are interesting longs now that we can take, but right now I don't want to trade anything. I don't want to get into any trade right now. I mean, actually, if you go up here, I might look for a short still and risk 2k. But right now, it doesn't make sense to look for any trades here for me. What was this pump, though, guys? What was this pump? Oh, okay, he only has... Yeah, he doesn't trade, like, he doesn't post trading content, let's say like this. But he drives his car, it's kind of funny, in Switzerland. He makes really cool videos, actually. But it's so funny that we actually started trading together and stuff like this, it's so funny. But he kind of focuses on social media now, which I can also understand, like... Yeah, today's stream is gonna be boring for you guys, for me now as well, because I'm so big in profits and I don't want to risk any... I don't want to risk losing my profits now. Like, why would I risk any more trades, guys, after such a good day already? Trump said that he was gonna do a 5-day ceasefire. Let me check out Trump's tweets, guys. Let us have a look at Trump's tweets. Wait, I can actually go over to X here and show you as well. Let's have a look at Trump's tweets here. Can you see it like this if I put it here? I don't know if this is wise to put it there, but let me have a look what Trump actually tweeted today. Wait, where did he tweet this, guys? Can someone send me this tweet? Chip Smith. When you start streaming today, there's a lot of people that are actually watching the streams now, which is cool. Where is the Trump tweet, guys? Can someone send me this? Can someone send me the Trump tweet in Discord? Yeah, I know that it was because Starplot, I saw your message. It was so funny. You were actually the guy. Because of you, I was running to my MacBook actually, because I saw your message and you said that we pumped 200 points. And I wasn't this long from here. So I actually rushed to my computer right there because of your message. He deleted it again. Really? Are you kidding me? It was on True Social. Are you kidding me? This guy. This guy is too much, man. Do you have like an image, Alex? And Deachin, do you have like an image of... Because I want to see what he tweeted. Would like to see what this guy actually tweeted. Someone has an image, send it in Discord. We are pumping here still, guys. We are still pumping. Above the previous week VWAP. I don't know, guys. This week could be really strange, so we gotta be a bit careful also with shorts. Maybe. I mean, I'm gonna short the key levels. I'm definitely gonna short the key levels, but you gotta be careful with taking like shorts at levels that are not high time frame levels this week, I think. Someone screenshotted it in the German chat. He spelled which. This guy is too much, man. Wait, let me see what Batch posted. Wait, I'm gonna have a look here. Let me show you guys as well. Wait. Why can't you see the Discord now? I think I need to add it again. Yeah, there it is. Wait, I need to make this smaller though. 1 second, guys. So this is what what Batch posted. Trump postponed any and all military strikes against Iranian power plants and energy infrastructure for a 5-day period. I'm pleased to report that the United States of America and the country of Iran have had over the last 2 days very good and productive conversations regarding a complete and total resolution of our hostilities in the Middle East based on the tenor and tone of these in-depth, detailed and constructive conversations, which, yes, wait, you actually pronounced which wrong, which will continue throughout the week. This is so crazy that he like deleted it now, what? And it was also posted on his actual real Donald Trump account, which I also checked out just now, but there's really no tweet there. Look, it's all gone on his X. Guys, this is the X here, wait. This is his X here, the post is no longer here, so it's not here appearing here, guys. So he actually deleted it. That's crazy, isn't it? That is actually crazy. But I mean, I'm happy he tweeted this, guys. It really went into my favor here. Thank you to Trump. He really pumped the market here with this tweet. He said they had good exchanges and progress of Iran. Yeah, that's crazy. What did crypto do, by the way, throughout this? Let us have a quick look at Bitcoin here. I mean, it is showing some strength here, Bitcoin, finally. I was actually kind of surprised, guys, that Bitcoin didn't dump more, since EOS actually dumped quite a lot the last week. So we didn't dump that much last week. So Bitcoin is looking a bit strong, and also Ethereum actually. Ethereum is looking a bit stronger as well. Bitcoin pumped. Yeah, Bitcoin pumped. What did gold do? So gold, what the heck happened to gold, chat? I didn't even see this. Because I don't really trade gold actively right now, but holy... What was this dump here? Wow, guys, a lot of people must have gotten destroyed long in gold. Because it's really... You know why what's crazy, actually? A lot of people, you know, when ES dumps, a lot of people are gonna just long gold. And actually here, even though ES dumped, gold also dumped. So I think a lot of people got completely destroyed long gold, probably, the last week. Wow, that's crazy. We just broke through all these levels here. That 4 hour was still low in the end. Crazy, crazy. But on weekend news the Bitcoin dumped. Yeah, I saw that, yeah. Silver, yeah, still kind of the same. US oil, wow, US oil dumped now because of the Trump tweet, obviously, as well. Negative 10%, guys. I mean, honestly, guys, this is really important here. I mean, we hit this weekly level here on US oil. And usually, if US oil goes down, that's bullish for ES, by the way. So if the high is in and we're gonna go lower, that would be really bullish for ES, by the way. So we have to keep this US oil chart in the mind. But what a beautiful trade, guys. I'm so happy about this trade. This was so... It was also... I knew we're gonna pump. I just knew it here, guys. I knew that we're gonna see a big move to the upside soon. Just to squeeze some of these shorts. Because we had a massive amount of shorts here last week. It was crazy. So I kind of expected this. It was a really nice long here. Holy. Had to be really patient here though, I'm not gonna lie, chat. Like, staying this long was also kind of scary. Because you can see, we did go almost to my entry again. We did actually almost go to my entry here once again before the pump. But stop loss is still kind of far away. This is also why I decided to hold this, because I had a really clean entry here. I don't know, it looks good. We're about to make a new high here, guys. If we break this and hold above this 1 hour here, or this 30-minute candle, it looks really good. And I don't want to short here, guys. I would wait for shorts up here. And like, I think here you're gonna get trapped in a short. I would wait definitely up to here. Batch, how was your day, by the way? How was your day, guys? But last week was so stressful. Holy crap! Like last week, guys. I haven't had such a stressful week as last week for like since the last 3 or 4 months. I haven't had such a stressful week. But this week just, yeah, made everything insanely good. I was slightly in red last week. I didn't, like, it wasn't down bad, but still, it was so stressful to trade. Like last week was so stressful for me. It just had such an insane amount of sellers, and like it was really hard to also catch longs. But if you took nice shorts, guys, you had a really good week last week. Trying to figure out how I go with Atas. Atas is really good, by the way. Atas is actually, I would say, even better than extra charts. But for me, it's like I'm so used to extra charts now. There's no point in like switching. But Atas is really good batched. I can highly recommend this. Actually, Atas is really good software. And I think they have a Mac version now as well, so I might check it out once. I actually might check out Atas once. I hope you're gonna get more giveaway accounts tomorrow, guys. Please, I hope you're gonna get more of them. Because it's so nice for me to tweet the giveaway every day before I go live, because I get like 20 viewers from a tweet. 20 live viewers from one tweet. Just kind of crazy. And Friday was insane. We had 42 live viewers on Friday. That was crazy. So I need to get more of these giveaway accounts for the streams. But I'm not sure if they were happy with how I did the giveaway. We'll see. I'm still waiting for the response. Maybe you're not gonna get more accounts, guys. Then it is what it is. Because they gave us a lot of accounts for last week, actually. That was crazy. 10 accounts to give away. mean, we even went higher, guys. This trade went to 8.8 R. I'm obviously happy with how I closed it. Such a crazy candle. This is on 5-minute time frame, guys. In 5 minutes, we pumped 200 points. Crazy, crazy. This is the 1 minute time frame. Alright, let's go to order flow. We're done looking at this here, what is happening. Wow, aggressive selling here again. I'm happy I don't have to trade anymore today, guys. I don't really like this price action right here. So I'm happy I took a nice trade already. Really happy about that. So how are you guys? How was your last week? By the way, let me know, guys, how was your last week? Did you have a good week? For me, last week was so stressful, I'm not gonna lie. We are dumping, like, what are these moves? I mean, we went to 6,700 and now dumped 20 points in like 10 minutes again. It's so crazy. Like, it's so volatile, guys. It's absolutely insane. I really like it when it's that volatile though. Because if you're on the right side and if you wait for the clean entries, you can have really fast TPs like the other one. It's actually nice to see this volatility. How was your week though, guys? How was your week? How was last week as well? Total coincidence that it lines up with the market close, is what Jan said, yeah. Trump is too much, man. And how can he like tweet something like this and then delete it, you know what I mean? Isn't that like kind of, I don't know, it's kind of crazy. Red, I mean I was also red last week, batched. I also had a red week, I'm not gonna lie. So I was green up to Thursday, and on Thursday I had 2 more stop losses, so I was slightly in red over the week. But I mean, this day today recovers all of it. I think on Monday I made 3k, and then Tuesday I didn't trade, then I made like 1 more k that was stop loss. I had so many tilt trades last week, it was crazy. Like for example, I waited for a long, I had 1 stop loss for the long, and then the second trade recovered it, and on Friday 2 stop losses after each other, and then I stopped trading. Like we had a massive dump on Friday. What was this? Like on Friday we just dumped like crazy. So I hit 2 stop losses, which is completely, I mean, it's part of the game, but I wasn't, like overall in the week I was like only 2k down, which is not a lot for 500k. You know what I mean? That's not a lot that I was down. So I kind of managed the week, I would say good, even though I was kind of impatient last week. So this was the main thing. If I wasn't impatient, I would have closed the week green. So I was really, I don't know, last week it was really stressful. Like I had so many annoying trades that I lost, like it was crazy. That went into 1 or 2 or I didn't close and then ended up stop loss. So yeah, my risk management really, this is like on weeks like this, it's just really important, guys, to stick to your risk management, else you're just gonna blow your account. Like if I didn't have proper risk management last week, I would have lost, like many people would lose their accounts for a week like last week. So you really have to have a really good risk management. But I was really impatient last week. I don't know, I was so impatient last week. Because the best setups always played out. Like the best setups were the ones that always played out. This is also, I'm gonna be more careful this week, guys. Because you know the volatility is insane right now. We're gonna wait for only the good setups now for the rest of the week, since we're already up 14k today. We only have to look for the best setups now. We don't have to like look for lower tier setups at all. But your risk management was fine, that's the key, Batch. And don't get annoyed, trust me, don't get annoyed. The thing with trading is even if you've like a bad week, even if you have a bad week, you only need like one trade, like today, like the same thing with me. I even had a stop loss before this trade. You need one trade and you can recover everything. Important thing is that you don't get tilted and you just stay really, really patient. What happens with most people, they lose a trade, then they get tilted, and then they force trades that they would never ever force, and that's how you blow the account. So, for example, on Friday, guys, imagine I wouldn't have had my rule of 2 losses a day. On Friday, I would have probably lost 3 or 4 trades then. Maybe, I don't know, but it could have happened. It's really important, guys. Just stop trading. If you lose 2 trades, or if you lost like the max amount that you're willing to risk a day, just stop for the day. Like, just literally stop for the day. I know it can be really difficult. I know how it is. It can be really difficult. Because once you lose a trade, you want to recover it. You know what I mean? Then you're like, I need to recover it. I need to take another trade to recover the losses. And that's actually the dangerous part. So you don't want to get to this. I mean, even on Friday batch, it was crazy. On Friday stream, and I remember I had the first stop loss and some people in the chat were like, stop trading, close the chart. And I was like, come on, guys. Like, as long as you have risk management, I have my risk management under control. I'm not gonna gamble around. But yeah, I hit another stop loss and then I was done for the day. You just have to have really strict rules. That's a really important thing that I can give you as advice. Last 2.5 weeks, I only took the losers. Oh, really? Okay, that's... It's so... I know how it is, man. It can get into your mind. You have to be really... But do you still have your accounts batch? Do you actually still have them, or did you bloat some of them? And you know what the cool thing is, what I really like about futures as well, and why I also like to recommend it to new people, the accounts are just much cheaper. Like 50k accounts for $100, it's really cheap if you ask me, or $120, whatever it is now. I think it's a little bit more expensive now on FundedNext, but I mean, even if you should always think about it this way. Like, let's say you would start trading with your own capital, right? You would probably put in like 1k or even more. Most of the people would put in like 1k or even more. And a lot of people lose that amount, you know what I mean? And if you lose like $100 on a 50k account, it's much less, it's not as bad, you know what I mean? So it's really good for learning. But 800 drawdown, all fine, but 800 drawdown left now on the new one. Oh, okay, 800, it's still recoverable, I mean, honestly, what you need to do now, batched, how much do you usually risk? How much do you risk per trade? And what is your account size? Then I can give you some tips if you tell me the account size and how much you risk per trade in dollars. Because honestly, if you have 800 more drawdown, you should risk max, really max, like $200 a trade now. I would probably even only risk like 100, but 2 units, so 2 micro units, right? But now I go on 1. Yeah, that's probably the way to go. I would also reduce it to 1. That's a good idea. And then try to build your drawdown back up, and then you're fine again. And probably what I would also do is don't hold the trades too long now. Try to close them at 2 hours just to lock in profits and recover the drawdown. I would only look for 1 or 2 hour trades until you recover the drawdown. But don't give up, man. That's the most important thing, because the thing is this: once you get a payout, you will really, even if you lost multiple accounts, guys, once you make it and you get a payout, you can recover the losses that you paid for the accounts really quickly. You know what I mean? I also know a lot of people that lost many accounts and then they became profitable because they really started to take it serious. Because you know, the thing is, if you lose a lot of accounts, guys, usually people learn from losing accounts, you know what I mean? The same concept. If you get like burned, once it happens, you actually learn from it. So you have to also treat it like that. And for me, it was like this. I also blew accounts, you know what I mean? I also blew accounts, especially in the beginning. But you learn from this, you know what I mean? And once you get to the stage where you're like, okay, now I'm gonna actually take this serious. I'm actually never ever gonna overtrade again. I'm always gonna follow the rules. And this is the most important thing for scaling long term. Apex is fine now, but I need to also try it. How is Apex, by the way, batched? I also want to buy some Apex accounts in the future, because they're really cheap. Apex is like really cheap. And does Apex have daily drawdown, end of the day drawdown, or trading drawdown? Do you know this? Apex is like really crazy for scaling though, because you can get a high amount of max funding there. So this is good for scaling. We are dumping here again, a massive amount of sells here, by the way. Really aggressive CVD drop. So the aggressive sellers right here, let's see. But still above the previous week VWAP. Yeah, but one thing I can also advise you, batch, but also helps me usually. If you're on a losing streak or you have a bad week, I should have also done this last week, by the way. I didn't do this last week, but I should have done this last week. Try to close the trades much more quicker than you usually do. So at 1 or 2 hour, you just go out, because this is gonna reset your mental, you know what I mean? Because if you're on a losing spree and you win another trade, then you're gonna reset your mental. You're gonna feel much better and calmer again. So it's really, I should have done this last week, by the way. If I would have done this last week, because most of the trades hit 1 or 2 hour all the time. I just held them for higher profits, and yeah, I got stopped out because we had massive selling on Friday as well. Don't know if they declined my payment. In Germany, all fine, but the decline Cyprus account. We now wait, now let's see, traded them 4 weeks with a Cyprus IP, now with a German VPS. Oh, you gotta be careful with that as well, no? Because they're maybe gonna say that you're account sharing or stuff like this, no? Gotta be careful with that, yeah. Apex says end of the day, intraday, drawdown. Also, they are cheap for evils, but if you pass them, you need to pay. Oh no, actually, you have to pay? Really? I hate that, actually. Oh, I keep getting notifications from Discord. What is going on? I kind of hate that when they charge you after passing, honestly. I think that's a kind of scam. Because on FundedNext and Lucid Trading, you don't have to pay. If you have a fixed fee that you pay, which is also not really high, and you don't have to pay once you pass it. I think every prop firm should have this rule, honestly. Apex is end of the day and intraday drawdown. Also, they are cheap for... Oh, I already read that. I gotta check them out though, because I know that you can get a really high max funding on Apex, which is kind of cool. But I hate the fact that you have to pay again after you pass it. It's also like this on Top Step. Unless you get the accounts where you don't have to pay, they have both, yeah. What is this price action here, chat? What is this price action? Yeah, they have one more system. Yeah, I know that system. You pay like a higher amount monthly, but you don't pay an activation fee, which is kind of good actually, I think. Yeah, you can hold 20 accounts. That's the crazy thing about Apex. That's insane. But I heard like the payouts are not as... sometimes get declined and stuff like this. Is this true? Is this actually true? Salto, I'm scaling accounts using copy trading people, but I want to learn on my own. Where can I get the right mentorship? Wow, that's a good question, man. Because I couldn't even answer this. There are too many scammers. I mean, Teacher got exposed. There's so many people that just got exposed. You can't really trust anyone, honestly. I wouldn't even know who to trust in the trading space. What I can recommend is watch my free videos for now. Yeah. And honestly, follow like charts that I post, and try to learn by yourself by just looking at charts, trying out strategies maybe that you see from YouTube, and you can backtest them. That's how I would do it probably. But I couldn't give you any name of anyone that gives you like good mentorship or anything, because most of these guys are not profitable. Most of these guys make more money from selling stuff than trading itself. So yeah, it's kind of, the trading industry is kind of cooked. I actually thought of starting a mentorship, but I don't want to do this, at least not now. Maybe I'm going to do it in 1 year, but first I want to show you actual live trading for a long time and doing everything for free. But yeah, maybe I'm also never going to do it, because the thing is also, like, yeah, I would do it really limited, and also for the price it has to be worth it for me, and I don't want to overcharge you guys. And yeah, it's kind of difficult, you know what I mean? So I'm probably not gonna do it. I'm probably just gonna focus on streaming live and doing everything for free. We'll see. But you can learn a lot from YouTube and from just being active in the Discord and watching streams and stuff like this. I think you can learn a lot from that. Because right now I'm not in a trade, but we're gonna look for more trades throughout the week. I'm just not trading now because I'm up already a ton, so there's no need to gamble around now. Literally no need. So anyone that would actually trade now is just really risky and dumb to like trade more if you're up that much. It's just, you would just be really greedy then. And here are the trades from today, guys. So I took them on FundedNext and Lucid Trading. As you can see, we made 7k P&L on FundedNext and 7k P&L on Lucid Trading. So combined 14k. And this was the level. Let me show you quickly, guys. This was the level. I posted this level here on Monday. So key ES trading levels for this week. And this was the weekly point of control that I longed here. The weekly point of control. 6484. This is the exact low. You can check it on the chart. So this is actually where I took this level from. Just wanted to show you this quickly here on Discord. Oh, what a nice day, guys. I'm so happy. I'm probably also not gonna stream too long today because I'm not really looking for another trade. Gonna be honest, guys. Will that be a good way to pursue trading? I mean, listen, trading is something that you just have to put a lot of time and effort into, you know what I mean? It's the same with everything. If you want to get good at sports, you also need to put a lot of time into it. And the thing is, most people just quit, you know what I mean? Most people quit after they lose an account or lose multiple funded accounts. They just give up. And the people that will just keep going and trying to actually improve, they will become better and actually profitable. Took me a long time myself, so yeah. We are pumping here, another like almost 10 points move. Guys, what is this pump right now? Did Trump tweet anything again? Did Trump actually tweet something again? Let me see. Don't think so though. No. Big pump though. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm not gonna lie here. If you look at the weekly order flow here, I mean, we hit this level here. This was the exact low. I think we can go higher here again. We have a lot of liquidity levels up here. So 6831 is a really strong one. This is where I'm also gonna look for a short, guys. This is a really clean short. So 6830. There I'm gonna risk a short for sure. And yeah, we might go lower again then. I mean, not making a new low, but we can see a big pullback from here, I think. So I'm gonna wait for this level this week. Honestly, probably today, after today, I'm just gonna place a limit here. I'm just gonna place a limit sell here, even overnight, in case we see a big pump. And 6807 is also a level, but I'm gonna wait for 6830. Much cleaner level in my opinion. beautiful day. How many people are watching? Let me see if it's worth it to stream more. We have 10 people watching right now. It's not bad, guys. We have 10 people watching without a giveaway. I think I'm gonna stream a bit longer. Guys, I think we're gonna stream a bit longer. What do you think? So let me know, is anyone of you in a trade? If anyone is in a trade, type it in the chat so we can actually look at your trade. Or share your trade, guys, in the Discord. Then you can see how it's going. Would be interesting because I'm not in a trade right now, I'm still waiting. So if you are looking for a trade or are in a trade, share it in the Discord, guys. I'm gonna open it on stream here. Let me show you where I can actually share it. So under the Discord, under trading analysis, you can actually share your trades, and executions is where you share the trade after it's done, after you've taken it, and this is before you've taken them. I actually posted this wrong. I should have posted this under executions, but whatever. This is so funny how he spelled this wrong, which will continue. It should also, shouldn't it be also I'm pleased? Not I am pleased to report. Like I'm pleased is wrong, right? It should be I'm pleased. And which is obviously wrong, like which here. This is crazy, guys. Trump is just too much sometimes. Let me go to TradingView quickly. Let's leave TradingView a bit running here. There we go. Because then I can check out X while I look at TradingView. Well, you guys actually see TradingView. 12 people on the in the stream though. Not bad, not bad, guys. So how was your day? I'm waiting for a short star plat. Which level are you waiting for? The same as me. Which short level are you waiting for? Oh, what a juicy little trade today. Holy, guys. Starplat, it's so funny how you texted this and I was just, no way, I just rushed to my MacBook. What a beautiful close as well. I mean, this was such a clean trade. Closed at high, yes, we could have held it a bit longer, but I had a limit close here, so I closed it by limit. So this is the level that I'm waiting for, guys, for a short. Even though this is gonna be a strong resistance, as you can see, we also have the 1 hour level, 1 hour open here. So this is a strong resistance level, and honestly, this is even a stronger one. This is the one that I would like to short here. We have 2 anchored VWAPs here, the same point. There's a ton of liquidity here, guys. Orderflow levels here, I mean, this is packed with liquidity. Packed with liquidity up here. So I think we can go up here, guys. I think we can actually go up here. Let me actually see something here. Wait, how can I do this? This way, I guess. Fixed range, so now I'm gonna draw it from the high. Wow, okay, this is really interesting, guys. So we're really close to this very low here. Let me hide this. I don't want to see this right now. $6,760 is what you are waiting for. Oh wow, that's a very high, very low here, by the way, as well. Starplat. Look at this. This is the very low from the downtrend, from the high of the downtrend. So this is a strong, actually a strong level for the bears as well, but I'm gonna wait for this here, guys. But honestly, this is really important. So if we stay below this here, we can still expect lower. And actually, if we reclaim this, so yeah, I would go into a short here. Why? Because we could see a fake out here and go back into value low and then dump from here back below it. So this is what I'm hoping for with the setup. But obviously we could also hit the stop loss on this short here and just go higher to the daily and to the point of control here. So this is gonna be a strong resistance, this is gonna be a really strong resistance, and this one as well. These are all really strong resistance levels for potential short levels, guys. This one I'm gonna delete here. It's no longer needed. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait here, guys. I'm definitely not gonna rush into trade after being up so much. Just gonna relax here. We're gonna have a look at... Wait, why does my chart look so weird on stream? Now it's better. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for these levels here. I mean, I'm gonna wait for these levels, guys. I'm not gonna rush into any trade here. Wow, okay, this is strange, guys. This is actually looking kind of bullish here. Because you can see here, the CVD went down a lot, but we did not dump a lot. So it looks like there are limit longs. Looks like bullish absorption here. But let's see. Wow, it's so many cells here still. Crazy. Really interesting to see, actually. I'm using MetaTrader 5. These are levels. Yeah, they are different. Because on MetaTrader you're using CFD pairs. You trade on CFD pairs and they have different prices. This is why I can suggest you, if you want to trade ES, use future accounts and don't trade through Forex accounts. Price action is gonna be much more respected, and yeah. Because on CFD pairs you can have big differences, and yeah, it's not good for trading, so the levels are not as respected there. Like on Forex account, I would mainly trade like, I don't know, EURUSD, currency pairs, gold, and so on. And if you want to trade S&P 500, like ES, what I'm trading, you should definitely use some futures accounts. Like there's no reason to use a CFD pair if actually use order flow. Like the levels are not going to be the same on the CFD pairs. We are such a strange price action right now. A lot of aggressive selling here, guys, but we are not dumping that much. Is there going to be another short squeeze? Like, I don't know. This candle though, crazy. And we had a Barry CVD print here at the high, which was actually crazy accurate as well, the CVD print here. Look at this. Barry CVD print, and we just dumped. Yes, I need to do a Forex stream, guys. We're gonna trade on some 100k accounts. I think I'm gonna do a stream challenge, Batched. What do you think about this? We can do a stream Forex challenge where I trade on a new account. I'm gonna see if I can find a new 100k account for streaming only, which is not funded. I wanna start on a fresh account. And yeah, I'm gonna maybe even try out some different strategies as well on this account, because I have been wanting to try out different strategies that I did backtest, but I have not live traded them yet. So I wanna trade some new strategies on Forex. I wanna also trade to because I've always swing traded on Forex accounts, and I wanna see if it's possible to also day trade on Forex accounts. Because I don't know, guys, I really love day trading, I'm not gonna lie, I really love day trading. Like with swing trading, hitting an 8-hour trade within like 2 or 3 hours like I did today is like almost impossible, you know what I mean? And we hit an 8-hour trade today within 2 or 3 hours, which is just so insane. This is why I really want to try to find a day trading strategy that also works on Forex, and we can maybe stream that live. That would be a cool idea. Yes, your ES and my ES has 53-point differences. Yeah, you need to buy futures accounts, man. You need to buy futures accounts. You need a gold strategy. Yeah, and gold is actually good for streaming as well. I think I need to trade gold, guys, for a stream. I know that people like to watch gold trading streams as well. And gold is like really volatile. So it would be fun to trade. I want to really imagine like day trading gold. Doesn't work, bro. What do you mean doesn't work? Day trading on Forex accounts? I mean, swing trading works fine. I'm still swing trading on a Forex account, but I want to make it like, if I stream swing trade, it's kind of boring, I think. the stream. So I need to find, yeah, I want to try out some strategies on new funded accounts. So to this swing trading, yes, I did. Rayad Mishra, I shared one of the craziest, wait, let me show you. I shared one of the craziest US oil longs before the massive pump of US oil. You can find it here, but you need to have VIP rank, but you can get it for free if you're active on the Discord. I have been really inactive here though. I need to become more active here again because I streamed so much. But we had a look at this US oil. I posted US oil on the 19th December 2025. We were at 56, so let me show you this. We were at 56. I posted this, that I'm looking for longs. I even posted the entry here after. You can check that all out here. So we're at 56 here, guys, and look at where we went. This was the trade of the year, by the way. Forex trade of the year. Let me show it to you here now on TradingView. TradingView, where is it? There it is. With oil, guys, so 56. We went in. I was in this long, by the way. I was in this long, and look at this daily level, and we pumped from 55, 56 the level up to 120. So this was the. And obviously didn't hold this until 24 hour, but this was the trade of the my forex trade of the year, by the way. This is a swing trade. So I shared this live, you can see it all on Discord, you can go back in time, I shared this trade. But I need to be more active. I've been really inactive posting trades because, guys, I'm honestly a little bit afraid of posting too much. I don't want to get banned on prop firms. Like, I'm getting a little bit scared about this because I've live traded, and if I also post the entries and exits, I don't know, guys. Because, you know, I read from some people, I'm not sure if this is true on X. I read from some people on X that share a lot of trades that have got their accounts banned because of copy trading other accounts, you know what I mean? Because a lot of people had the same trade, but I'm not sure if these tweets are real. How much debt do you have on your credit card? Man, I don't even know. Don't even know, actually. Why are you asking this though? That's a weird question to ask. How much debt? You mean how much I can go in negative? I don't actually know. I never use this like debt stuff. I just pay with my credit card, that's it. We are pumping though, chat. We are pumping. This might be the bullish CVD here. I mean the bullish absorption here playing out. What a question though. From Hero Boat. I need to get a new drink now as well and smoke a cigarette. He has your data. Yeah, probably. I'm getting kind of scared, Patch. We have so many people on my Discord that try to scam people. I don't know where they come from. It's kind of crazy. Like, it actually always, like, how is it possible that these people have accounts with like server tags and everything? Like, it's crazy. Like, the scammers are getting better and better. We are pumping, chat. The bullish absorption seems to be playing out right here. Like I told you here, we have a lot of sellers, but we are not dumping yet. So this was a bullish absorption here live. Could see a big pump from here, actually. This is actually where I closed my long. Right here is where I closed my long. I mean, why would anyone hold this trade longer after hitting 8R? Then you're just a greedy guy. Like 8R is an insane day trade, like an insane day trade. But you know, I would, like with the forex strategy, guys, that I want to use, I just want to, like, I want to trade similar the way I do before, but I want to like make it possible that I can actually focus more on like taking day trades the way I do on ES, because I think it could be really profitable, honestly. But I still need to live test this, so I might do this on stream. So we're gonna get some 100k accounts, some 100k forex accounts. Maybe I'm just gonna get like 2 or 3 right away, or 200k accounts. Like two 200k accounts would be nice, and then connect them. By the way, what's really cool, Batched, the trade copier I'm using, they're working on adding CFD as well, so you can actually copy trade on your CFD accounts as well. I'm kind of waiting for this. So I can copy trade through the same software on my futures account and on my Forex account. So if you want to check out the trade copy I use, it's also linked in my bio, by the way. It's the best one out there by far, literally by far. And it costs like 30 bucks a month or like 40 bucks a month. It's kind of worth it though. It's really worth it. Well, you don't need it. If you have like 1 or 2 accounts, you don't need it. I would get it once you have like 3 or 4 accounts. Then it's starting to be really worth it. And if you have more than 5 accounts, you need to get this like immediately. And they also added one really cool thing now, by the way, which in my opinion is really cool. So they have this, wait, let me show you this. I can actually show, can I show this without leaking anything? I'm always a little bit afraid of leaking like the account names and stuff like this. Well, I'm probably not gonna show this right. Wait, I'm already showing something right now. Wait. But they have a risk management tool. So this is what I wanted to talk about. They have a risk management tool where you can actually say that you want to, once you hit a certain balance, negative balance, they're gonna close the trades for you and they're gonna lock you out as well. So you can put the lockout time, which is really cool in my opinion. And you can also, for example, say that you want to close all your trades if you hit 1k daily P&L on the account, then they're automatically going to close all the trades. So it's really cool. I think it can be really useful for people that also have issues with like risk management, because you can actually use those tools they have. TradeAway do a good job at the start of the group trading. Yeah, if you only have 1 or 2 accounts, you don't need it, honestly. I would wait then. But once you have like 3 or 4 or more accounts, I would actually buy it. Oh, you have a group trading. I forgot that. Yeah, maybe you actually do have that. Well, if you... I never used that, honestly. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know how this works. But if you use multiple prop firms, I think then you still need the tool. But if you're still on one prop firm, then yeah, you can wait, obviously. Don't have to get it now. But it is the best thing about this, you can actually connect multiple prop firms. So for example, you can trade on Top Step together while trading on TradeAway as well. They also added Rhythmic, so you can basically connect all prop firm accounts on one tool, which is just insane. And they're gonna add CFD accounts, so I'm really waiting for this. Once we have CFDs added, I can actually stream live with the same tool. So we're gonna wait for this release, and then I'm gonna live trade on Forex as well. We're gonna do some Forex live trading streams. It will be fun as well, I guess. And try out some new strategies as well. Man, what a day though, Batch. What a day for me. A really good day for me here. I was waiting for this pump. Man, even on Friday I expected the pump, but Friday we just dumped, like... But now it happened. Now it finally happens. Alright, I'm gonna get something to drink, chat. I'm gonna keep streaming though. We're gonna do a chill stream here. Like, we're gonna do a chill stream after being up so much here. Because I still need to keep streaming for the algorithm. And I'm gonna try, guys, I'm gonna try to get new accounts to give away for the next streams of the week. I hope FundedNext is gonna give us some more accounts. That was so fun last week, by the way. It was really fun drawing the winners, and I think it's really a cool addition for the stream. If I get more accounts, I will just randomly pick a winner throughout the streams, you know what I mean? And I can always post it on X, but that I also do a giveaway, which is really good for X, the X algorithm. But honestly, first of all, I need to get this channel partnered, because it's still not partnered. We are pumping. Look at this bullish absorption here. A lot of new sells, a ton of new sells. We didn't make a new low, and now we just pump. And this is another 20 points move, by the way, which is kind of a lot. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get something to drink. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette quickly. Oh, what a day. What a lovely day. I mean, guys, it cannot get better than this. It cannot get any better than this for me. I'm just waiting for market close. Then we're gonna request a payout and we're back tomorrow live trading. And hopefully we'll find another banger trade like this. And that would be it if we find another trade like this week. I'm kind of sad. I should have called this like on Discord as well, so you guys can take it as well. But I was I'm gotta be honest, guys. I had a stop loss before, as I showed you. I showed you the stop loss, and this is also why I didn't want to post it. Like, I mean, yes, we could have gone lower, but it was an insanely important support level, like a weekly naked point of control. Yeah, drawing one winner every stream. This is what I thought. Yeah, this is what I thought. Every stream, one winner. This is exactly what I was thinking about. I just hope FundedNext was happy with how I did the giveaway. Because, you know, the streams are not that big yet. I need to get more viewers, guys. I need to get a lot more viewers, then we can surely do this. It all depends on how many viewers I get, honestly. I mean, if I would have like 100 or 200 live viewers on each stream, I think I could easily get like 10 accounts for every week. I think the last giveaway was so big because there was an anniversary, but I'm not sure. Like, FundedNext is on holidays, they have Eid holidays. So tomorrow they will send out the accounts and they're gonna respond to me if they were happy with the giveaway. But I tried everything to promote this. Like, I posted every day on X and I streamed a lot as well. But thank Dolphin, that is what I'm looking for. Like, if I'm able to give away one account every stream to one live viewer, that would be really cool. Because then I can easily grow the stream as well. Because people are gonna stick around for the account for sure, I think. And we can still live trade, give away one account every day. That would be so cool, man. That would be so cool. And I don't know any streamer that does this, by the way, on YouTube. I don't know any streamer that also gave away like 10, 50k accounts. Especially for the fact that I'm such a small streamer, which is kind of funny. Like, I have 3,000 subscribers, not even 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. And the big streamers, they don't ever give out anything. I've never seen a giveaway. Especially one that was live drawn, you know what I mean, where everyone can see who is winning. So yeah, this would be so cool, guys. Also, if we find other prop firms, you gotta help me with this as well. If you guys have free time, feel free to contact prop firms under my name and try to get them to give us accounts to give away, like Lucid Trading, Top Step, all these good prop firms, guys. We need more of them. We need more to get like partnered with more of them, so I can give away accounts from other prop firms as well, and not only FundedNext. So if you have free time and yeah, you can help me, guys, you can actually help me by reaching out to them. And if they respond, you can let me know, send me a DM or type something in the chat here. But yeah, it would be a goal to give out also accounts from other good prop firms, but I don't want to get partnered with low quality prop firms, guys. Like, don't ever try to contact one that is not really good, because I don't want to promote them if they're not a top, like an A-tier prop firm. But I would like to have like a partnership with some other ones, like Top Step, Lucid Trading, Tradify would be insane as well as a partnership. And what else? Apex would be nice as well, honestly, Apex. And yeah, that's it actually. These are the main ones I'm looking for to get a partnership with. Take Profit Trader would also be decent, honestly. But yeah, takes time, guys. I need to stream, I need to hustle and grind, stream every day. Once you get more viewers, we definitely can get more partnerships and more giveaways, 100%. But right now my stream is still really small. But it's much better. I'm so happy I switched to YouTube, guys. I was live on TikTok today for like 30 minutes. I already got annoyed. Like, the algorithm didn't push me at all because I was live trading, which is normal, I think. I was live streaming before and they sent me 2 strikes. I don't know, they sent me 2 strikes for showing my live P&L. It's apparently according to the rule, against the rules, I mean, to show live P&L on TikTok. So yeah, I'm happy I switched to YouTube. It's been going great as well, so I can't complain. But for the big giveaways, I just need much more viewers, honestly. We need to get more viewers somehow. I don't know how I can get much more viewers. I post on X all the time. But I think with the giveaways, because on Friday we had 42 people watching. So if we can get more giveaway accounts, I think it's easier to get more viewers as well. Inner Lawfulness, how was your day, by the way? Why did you decide to do live trading? Really simple, because I have nothing else to do. I mean, I trade all the time anyways, so why shouldn't I live trade it and grow a community of actual real traders? And another reason, guys, because there's so many scammers around. Like, I actually got so annoyed. There are even people in Switzerland scamming now that claim to be good traders, but they have no idea. Like, There's so many scammers, you don't even want to know, guys. So I decided to do everything for free, just live trade for free. I don't sell anything. And my goal is to give back to the community. This is why I also started. But mainly because there's so much bullshit, like there's so much fake stuff online. And none of these people trade live. None of these people trade live, guys. Well, actually some people are, but they don't show that they're actually trading on funded accounts like I do. Like I show all my funded accounts that are connected. I show the tool that I use to connect them, like everything. I show everything basically. So this is why I started, because there's so many fake traders out there that just scamming people. This is actually why I started, I'm not gonna lie. And also because I have nothing else to do. I mean, I'm trading anyways, so like streaming is actually a cool thing to do. And I have more chart time for streaming. I'm actually for a longer time in front of my PC. So it's actually good for my trading. And I'm not gonna lie, my stats have improved since I started streaming as well. So that was kind of unexpected. I actually thought my stats are gonna get worse when I start streaming. But it was the opposite. Like I had really insane last 3 months since I started streaming. And I started streaming for the first 2 months on TikTok only. And now since like 3 weeks on YouTube, so yeah. I'm gonna continue, guys. There's literally no reason to stop. And I'm able to give away accounts, which is really cool, honestly. To give away stuff for free, it's always cool. I mean, we gave away 1.2k on Friday, guys. We gave 1.2k away in accounts on Friday. Gave away 10 accounts and each one is worth $120. So I gave away 1.2k on Friday to you guys. And this is also a goal. And it's honestly also good to connect with other traders. Like with streaming, I met some really good traders as well. I met actually some good traders. Also some from Switzerland, which is kind of cool. You can always learn from each other, guys. You can always learn from other people. And it's nice to connect with people, honestly, guys, because trading is a job where you're really with yourself, you know what I mean? You're not around people. I'm always at home. I'm literally always at home. Since I haven't worked the normal jobs now since like, I don't know, since quite some time. And it's nice to connect with people through the streams. So yeah, these are some of the reasons I would say. And I'm kind of like live stream because I don't have to post anything, you know, I don't post signals. Sometimes I post trades, yes, as you can see in my Discord, sometimes I actually post my exact trades. But I'm not forced to do anything, you know, I can also just go live and trade live. So it's really cool. It's really cool. And it's the most transparent thing, in my opinion. You can't do anything that's more transparent than streaming. And you guys saw losses. You guys saw Friday how we hit losses as well. Yeah. You're gonna see losses here, guys. You're gonna see wins. Yeah. I just want to also document my trading journey. It's also a cool thing to like look back. Like look back on old streams. I can see my mistakes as well that I do on stream. So it's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing actually. And I had a lot more screen time, guys, since I started live streaming. I've had at least like 5 hours of screen time in front of the chart every day, at least 5 hours, if not more. And that's like literally being in front of the chart for 5 hours, you know what I mean? Not like doing anything else, just being in front of the charts. Watching the order flow, watching the levels, yeah. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing, in my opinion. Alright, I'm gonna get something to drink. This Red Bull here is finished, guys, since like 40 minutes. And I just keep on rambling on. I'm gonna let you enjoy the music. I'm gonna let you enjoy the order flow here, guys. I'm gonna let this running. I'm gonna be gone for like, I'm gonna write it in the chat. BRB, like 8 minutes. Coffee plus smoke break. So I'm gonna pin this quickly in the chat here. I'm gonna let the order flow here run, guys, in case you are in a trade or you want to check the order flow while I'm AFK. It's on 5-minute time frame. Still looking kind of bullish, but we'll see, guys. I'm gonna leave this running here for you guys. I'll be back in 8 minutes. Oh, I cannot talk anymore. I'll be back in 8 minutes. See you guys. Alright, I'm back, guys. I'm already back here. We're pumping again. We are pumping. Is anyone still here? And that was a quick break. Holy crap, I was fast. What is going on X? Let's check X a bit here, guys. What is going on X here? Did we get any new followers? Nope. No new follows. No respond to this guy. I'm live. Bitcoin has hit $71,000, then drops to $68,000. $68,000. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. How fast, how gold dumped actually. Crazy how gold actually dumped. No, Dr. Profit is shilling negative news again about Bitcoin. OnlyFans owner died. What? Okay, crazy. Yeah, probably no more trades for me today, guys. No more trades here for me today. What is this price action again? Is anyone still the stream? Let me see. 8 people watching, not a lot of viewers today again. Yeah, probably I'm gonna go off, guys. I'm gonna call it a day here. Honestly, enjoy the profits. Gonna call it a day. Enjoy my day. We're gonna be live trading again today, though. I'm gonna request a nice payout tonight, and we're gonna be back tomorrow. But I'm definitely gonna request a payout here. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Not a long stream today because I just want to enjoy the profits, and honestly, I'm gonna go off the charts now. Starpad is still here, though. We still have people here. Should I stream a little bit longer? What do you think, guys? Should I actually... Did you short already? What is your entry? A lot of sellers now here. Get that bread. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take a break, guys, because there's no point in me trading anymore. Like, I'm done for the day, guys. I'm just gonna pay out tonight and then look for a new trade. And I'm probably gonna place a sell at market open, guys. So I'm gonna place a sell here. Gonna try to sell. Let me show you again. Most likely gonna place a limit sell here. This is a setup that I'm gonna take. This is the setup that I'm most likely gonna take here, guys. And we can actually hold this here as well. This is a nice trade like the one that we just had. This is a nice trade to hold for a high profit here, guys. So I'm most likely gonna look for a sell here at market open. Gonna place this overnight. Most likely, guys. Yeah. But right now I don't want to trade anymore. We had nice profits here. Insane trade. Insane trade. So I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I'm gonna close this now, though. I don't want to risk any more trades today. Cancel order. And I'm gonna flatten all accounts just to make sure. Flatten group. There we go. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Sorry for the short stream, but we're gonna look for live trades tomorrow again. Gonna look for some live trades tomorrow. But I was kind of done with my day when I started the stream already, so yeah. Alright, guys, a really nice day for me. Have a nice evening and see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow again. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to get some accounts to give away tomorrow as well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice evening, guys, and see